Hi everyone, I just received my Breo deep tissue massager and I'm really excited to open it up and give it a try. So I'm just going to show you the box a little bit. It says about how it has a compact portable design. It's really light. It has 5 different percussive speeds, so some are going to just go really slow and give that deep tissue massage that you're looking for, while others will be really fast and to help soothe really sore muscles. It's also very quiet, so it's not going to be loud or obnoxious when you're using it. It's just a nice quiet hum, which you'll see when I turn it on. It also has an integrated massage head, so you're never gonna lose this piece right here. So that is always on. You don't have to worry about misplacing it, but it also has different attachments that you can use. It has this detachable extended handle, so it makes the massager really long, easy to reach those hard to reach places all on your own, and it is deep tissue, so that's gonna give you a really good relaxing massage. So it's perfect for your back, for your arms, for your thighs, for your calves. It's perfect for almost everything. So I'm gonna go ahead, open up the box here. And right on top, it just shows a little bit of quick information about how to put the massager together. So it does already have the integrated massage head on it, and then it has 2 other interchangeable massage heads that you can switch out. So you're gonna get the exact massage you need, the feel that you like, depending on which head. It does have just a start button, so you're gonna press it for 2 seconds to power it on, and do just a quick press if you wanna switch the speeds. Also, it shows how to attach the detachable handle and how to take it off. So just some very easy, simple information there about how to get started. So first thing is one of the massage heads here. So this is just gonna snap onto the massager, and this will kind of give you a more direct, wider width massage if you're looking for that. Here is another massage head that you can try, just a different shape. So it's gonna give you a little bit of a different massage. It's just gonna snap right on there as well. Here is the detachable handle that you can use if you need to reach the center of your back all on your own. You don't need somebody to help you. And this is the handle. It's just going to click right on and snap right in there. And then right inside that handle was a USB charger. And the battery on the Breo massager actually lasts 5 hours of battery life. So you can just charge this, and then you're gonna get 5 hours of massage time, all with a simple USB charger. So you will need the block for that, but I'm sure you already have one of those. And just some storage, keep it nice and safe. And here looks like our even more in-depth directions. So we do have that quick start guide, but also it comes with this perfect manual. So it just shows you a little bit of information, precautions, how to use it, a little bit about the massager itself, the massage head, detach button, the charging port. It's a really simple machine, so you shouldn't have any problems using it or getting it started. So just how to store it, a little bit of all the details in here. And it also is in other languages. Okay, so let's take out the massager itself. So it's not too heavy, should be easy to hold while you're doing your massage. And here it is. So as you can see, it does have that massage head already on it. So this is gonna stay all the time. You don't have to worry about losing it. And you can just snap these on if you wanted to switch the different massager. This can just slide right on there, and then you can just take it off when you're done and go right back to the regular massager. So here are the buttons on the back. You're gonna hold this top one for 5 seconds if you wanna turn it on or off, and then the other one to switch speeds. Also right on the bottom is the battery, and here is where you're gonna charge it right up top there. And that came with that USB charger. And then if you wanna add the detachable handle to reach those hard to reach places, you can just snap it right on. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try and let you guys know how it feels. Put on the attachment head, turn the button on. So you're gonna hold it for 5 seconds. Turns right on. So this is perfect to soothe sore muscles, sore calves. Feels so amazing. If you wanna increase the speed, you can just press the button on the bottom and the speed goes up even more. Feels so good. This is perfect for improving circulation, for soothing sore muscles, for getting out tension. If you're an athlete, this is great to help speed up muscle recovery. This feels so, so good. When you're all done, just press the top button again, and it goes right off. You can switch the attachment heads, very easily. So if you have a hard to reach spot on your back, or if you just don't want to bend down as far to massage your legs, you can use the detachable handle, snap it on, turn it on again, holding the top button for 5 seconds, and then you can just reach into your back. As you can see, I can reach so many different spots on my back that you wouldn't be able to do with other machines. This feels amazing. So the Breo deep tissue massager felt amazing. It was very easy to use. I loved the detachable handle that made it extra long and made you able to reach those hard to reach places. All the different attachments felt good. They all gave slightly different massages, so you can kind of customize your massage all with one machine. So I would definitely recommend giving this a try. Breo will help you relax anytime, anywhere, and you can give yourself a massage that'll make you feel revitalized, have your muscles feel good, improve your circulation, and just overall feel really great. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and you pick up your Breo Sport Massager. Thanks.